Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we'll learn about Python f-strings, the modern way to format strings. So what is an f-string? F-string were introduced in Python 3.6. They let us insert variable and expressions directly inside the strings. So let's see how it works. So for example, here we are using f-string. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see how the f-strings work in Python. So we can also use variables in f-string. So let's see how we can use variables. So this is how we use variables in this. And now we'll see its output. So this is how we are using variable. And also we can format numbers in this. So let's see how we format number in this. So this is how we use formatting numbers using f-string. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output. We can also use expressions in the f-string as well. So this is how we'll use the expressions in the f-string and we'll print the value. So let's see its output. So here we can see the correct output. So with f-strings you can insert variables, expressions, condition and even function call directly inside the strings. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video. See you in the next video.